Okay, Leah, where are we?
The contemporary.
Say it a little louder.
The contemporary.
All right, what are we going to do now?
What floor first?
Let's ride it to the 10th floor so we get a big long ride. Or can we go to the 10th or do we go to the 9th? Okay, let's go to the 9th floor then. Okay, we'll do 9th floor instead. Okay. We're on the first floor right now.
We're on the first floor.
Okay, we're going to go to 9.
With 11.
11?
Yeah. Thank you.
The 9th floor.
Who's that? Hi. Who's that? Was that Mickey?
Yeah, yes.
All right, so tell me, is this your favorite hotel?
I think the other hotel's my favorite.
Which one? The Coronado Springs?
Yeah, Coronado.
What about the elevators themselves? Oh, no, we won't do that again. All right, I'm going to turn off the video. Say bye.
Bye-bye.